Good morning. Turbo mode.
Και Χριστός Ανέστη.
Hey folks, good morning. Look at this beautiful view. Beautiful view and silence. Here is Easter is coming, and as a Ukrainian, we have a tradition to bake a Paska for Easter. And today is my gonna be first time to bake it alone, especially in the van. Let's go. So what we actually need is a bit milk, about 150 milliliters. And now mix milk, sugar, yeast. This is yeast. And add some flour to make a starter. Too cold for yeast to work, so because of that I've turned on multi-cooker just to create warm temperature, and I'm gonna wait about half an hour and separate white and yellow part of eggs. Done. Good. This part we'll leave for later. And this, add some sugar. Oh, sugar, salt, and blend it. Mix it to get these bubbles soft. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, very well. It's good. Then add eggs. And now add flour. It's necessary to soak them. Good, very good. Add some oil. because it's in any way it will stick, but with oil less, a bit less. Because in general, the point of adding flour to avoid gluing different grapes between each other. But I see that they did it anyway. Okay, it seems good. Okay. And now let's turn on this special mod for dough. It keeps temperature about 40 degrees. And it have to wait about 1 hour and then bake. Now it's time to blend this white part of egg. Necessary to blend it to get like a foam, kinda. It's like turbo mod. Ooh. It's already go. Oh, very well. And now set up a bake mode. Well done. It's done. Let's put it. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. Good. And now just cover to make it calm down in more proper way. Let's keep their form. This is ready. And yep, and that's it. How does it taste? I have no idea, because by tradition it's not allowed to eat before ceremony. Ceremony is tomorrow. Good morning. I'm not sure that it's right to call it morning, because it's 2:30. I'm going to go to the ceremony. I'm lazy. And come to the second part, the most interesting.
Και Χριστός Ανέστη. Θα περάσετε από τις δύο πύλες εδώ του ιερού για να κοινωνήσετε. Χριστός Ανέστη. Χριστός Ανέστη. Χριστός Ανέστη. Χριστός Ανέστη. Χριστός Ανέστη. Όσα τη Αγία αυτού τριημέρο εγέρσιο. Θεϊκή παρουσία σας όλη η Μεγάλη Εβδομάδα.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back to the van, and that was so awkward. Oh my gosh! I don't know how to explain it because everyone do a bit different, and also no one didn't bring a Paska. Anyway, who care? Who care? Let's be honest. Who care? No one care. That's good. That's good. As it should be. Paska is beautiful, so come to meet it right. I'm just kidding. I have no idea how you could catch me. By the way, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. I'll leave the comments below if you have any thoughts, questions, or whatever. And don't forget to subscribe. See you later.